Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Iyo Ishmael azitholele igigi shem kuba umfana oqulayo shem kuma clubs, kuma pubs, yakhawan ukuthi aphushe nje lokho okuncane bazomnika kona. Afike ubuhle athi nje lo une contract intonton. Remember akanayo contract because akana ID ne. So I don't know ukuthi what is buhle playing at this point. But ke asho ukuthi une-contract njani. Now what's going to happen ngesinkwa sakhe because ubuhle nje kahle kahle uyakhipha uFisto uyabona ukuthi la kunomjolonyana ozobruma but uIshmael akakuboni, like Ishmael akakuboni ukuthi ubuhle ngathi kahle kahle yamfuna yamhalela nje. Hayi uGaye ubona umuntu kind kuye, and I think he appreciates that ukuthi umuntu amtshela ukuthi you know what, you are talented, you are good, you are this, you are that. Words of affirmation that he has never heard before, like he gets them constantly this side. Uyawa-receive shem abana bathi umuntu uyawathola ama-words of affirmation basho nje u-Ishmael day in makajiya ngapha nangobuhle and now uyambona ukuthi uyazifilanyana ukuthi shem I might be somebody. Washo ukuthi bona-ke the way bekumnandi ngakhona we landed e-rooftop. uFelicia ke yena imtormente i-girlfriend i-side chick ye-husband yakhe tormenting her, and at this point asking that she goes for counseling, and then in an event where she goes for counseling and the counseling goes well is then when she can go back to work. uFelicia ayidabula iphepha lahlelele abe angry. In her anger, the helper told her, Mamela, these people are playing you and you are playing into their trap. Just go to that counseling, get the necessary counseling you need, and take it from there. Because if you don't go, you will prove their point to you are the problem, and this is where you are like the results that they're anticipating. Hey, wara. So I don't know, will she eventually digest the help and take it, or will she not take it? Then kube ubonko abongumama kuthi I dodged the bullet. Thank you for, like, I should have taken your warning and not went to lobola this girl. I should have taken time. You know what, I regret, but I've dodged the bullet. I vele baqabanga ukuthi udodgile ibullet. Laba seba relaxed khona baqabanga ukuthi udodge ibullet bayenzeni kukhala ingoma dumela na mongatsona kiye uetla babizi musuthele buza Maruna's mother bringing makoti. There's a marriage contract. Babiza amaphoyisa ebonise on the second day when they were singing. Babiza amaphoyisa abonisa amaphoyisa marriage contract bathi hlalani phansi ke, this one is a family matter. Unfortunately we cannot get in, we cannot entertain thina okwethu ukuthi sidlalele le fair. So uMaruna uzongena kule family by fire by force. The way umamakhe, by the rate umamakhe hamba ngayo, this contract is going to be legit. But Ubonko like despises the situation at this point. Ubonko is not happy with everything. Question is, what is Bonko going to do?